For streak-free mirror and glass cleaning, start with plain water in a spray bottle and a clean microfiber cloth. Use room temperature water to avoid thermal shock on older glass and lightly mist the surface rather than soaking it. Work in a systematic pattern such as top to bottom and left to right so you do not miss spots and so streaks are easier to catch as you go. Fold the microfiber cloth into quarters to create clean edges and change to a fresh quadrant as it picks up oils and grime. After wiping with the damp side, immediately use the dry side of the cloth to buff in straight strokes until no lines remain. If you encounter stubborn marks like toothpaste splatter or hairspray residue, rub gently with a little distilled white vinegar on the damp cloth, then follow with a clean water rinse and dry buff. Avoid ammonia-based cleaners for delicate frames, and never clean glass in direct sunlight because the rapid drying causes streaking. Common mistakes include overwetting the glass, which leaves drips and streaks, using a dirty or linty cloth that redeposits particles, and cleaning in direct sun, which causes uneven drying. If you overwater the surface, blot excess liquid with a corner of the cloth and then buff with a dry section in straight strokes. If the cloth is dirty or linty, switch to a fresh microfiber and launder the used one without fabric softener to restore its effectiveness. If the sun is the problem, wait for shade or work during cooler parts of the day and use the same mist and buff technique. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and browse project ideas related to glass care and home maintenance while letting contractors list services and connect with potential clients. We host an active discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from real homeowners and professionals.